In some groundbreaking news from the AI world, Sam Altman has effectively been sacked. Yup, you heard it right. Sam Altman has been ousted out of OpenAI. The first job that AI has taken over is Sam Altman's. I mean, jokes aside, like what's just happened? It's created shockwaves, ripples around the whole tech world. No one knows what's just gone on within a night. Within it was everything was just going smooth and everything. They just had such a successful dev day, and there were many things lined up, new projects. Chat GPT 4 just going on to a new dimension, launching GPTs, how it was going to happen. But now Sam Altman is sacked. It creates a ripple effect. A host of probably Altman's guys are coming out of it as well. Researchers, some of the researchers have resigned now. Another prime personality resigned. Who's the new CEO? What is the future? I'm going to talk all about it. But let's first jump into what OpenAI had to say about it. So they've posted a blog post on their website, OpenAI. So they say, right? Let's have a read. Let's have a read, right? Let's have a read. It's just so shocking here. Chief, right? So OpenAI announces leadership transition. Boom. They don't even mention Sam Altman right at the first. Chief Technological Officer, CTO Mira Murati appointed interim CEO to lead OpenAI. Sam Altman departs the company. Wow. Search process underway to identify permanent successor. The board of directors of OpenAI, that acts as the overall governing body for OpenAI activities, today announced that Sam Altman will depart as CEO and leave the board of directors. Mira Murati, the company's chief technology officer, will serve as the interim CEO effective immediately. Wow. A member of OpenAI's leadership for 5 years. See, they're just going on her, not even talking about Altman at first. Mira has played a critical role in OpenAI's evolution into a global AI leader. She brings a unique skill set, understanding of values, operations, business, already leads the company's research, product safety function, long tenure, close, blah, blah, blah. Mr. Altman's departure. Wow, look at this. Just have a look. Follows a deliberative review process by the board, okay, which concluded that he was not consistently candid in his communications with the board. So he was not true. Wow. With the board, hindering its ability to exercise its responsibilities. The board no longer has confidence in his ability to, wow, continue leading OpenAI. In a statement, the board of directors said OpenAI was deliberately structured to advance our mission to ensure that AI benefits all humanity. The board remains fully committed to serving this mission. We are grateful for Sam's many contributions to the founding and growth of OpenAI. At the same time, we believe new leadership is necessary as we move forward. As the leader of the company's research, product, and safety functions, Mira is exceptionally qualified to step into the role of interim CEO. We have the utmost confidence in her, blah, blah, blah. OpenAI's board of directors, chief scientist, right? Ilyas Kora, CEO, Adam D'Angelo, technological entrepreneur, Tasha McCoy, George, right? And there you go. So a lot of people here. As a part of this transition, Greg Brockman will be stepping down as chairman of the board and will remain in his role at the company, reporting to the CEO. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. OpenAI was founded as a non-profit in 15 with the core missions of ensuring. In 19, OpenAI restructured to ensure that the company could raise capital in pursuit of this mission, while preserving the non-profit's mission, governance, and oversight. The majority of the board is independent, and the independent directors do not hold equity in OpenAI. While the company has experienced dramatic growth, it remains the fundamental governance responsibility of the board to advance OpenAI's mission to preserve the principles of its charter. But just before we move forward, guys, I have something. So, as we have seen, AI can just take up a job at any time. But to make sure that AI won't replace you, you need to upskill yourself. You need to 10x yourself. And we here at B10x have bought in an absolutely fantastic workshop for you. You just need to click the link down below, and only for 9 rupees. It doesn't even get you a packet of Lays, a packet of chips, a packet of namkeen, your favorite snacks, but you can upskill yourself to the level of you being 10x at just 9 rupees. Yep, you just need to click the link down below and then sign up for the workshop. It's a 2-3 hour workshop. It's gonna provenly reduce your work by at least 2 hours. It's gonna 10x your productivity, take your chat GPT and AI tools game to the next level. As we know, AI in itself won't replace you, but a person using AI certainly will. Well, Mira Murati maybe then. So, you want to secure your future with us, and just do that, clicking the link down below, just by filling up the form and signing up for 9 rupees. You could do that. Just sign up pretty fast. Here's the link down below. So moving back, as I was saying, OpenAI crisis deepens as 3 senior researchers resign after CEO Altman's. There you go, right? Jakub Pachowski, Alexander Madrian, Simon Sider. Now, excuse my and wait. Right? We were just reading about their whole board, right? So no, none of them are here. None of them are here. Anyways, so these 3 researchers have resigned. 3 senior OpenAI researchers, Jakub Pachowski, Alexander Matrian, told they resigned. The board of the company behind ChatGPT and fired OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Right? OpenAI, of course. Right. The announcement also said that OpenAI co-founder and top executive Greg Brockman, the board's chairman, would step down from that role but remain at the company where he serves as president. But laterly on X, formerly Twitter, Brockman posted a message where he sent to OpenAI, which posted a message he sent to OpenAI employees in which he wrote, based on today's news, I quit. So he is gone as well. Brockman said Altman was asked to join in a video meeting at noon with the company's board members, minus Brockman, during which OpenAI co-founder and chief scientist Elias informed that he was being fired. Wow. Sam and I are shocked and saddened by what the board did today, Brockman wrote, adding that he was informed of his removal from the board in a separate call with Sat Kever a short time later. OpenAI declined to answer any questions, of course, on what Altman's alleged lack of candor was about. The statement said his behavior was hindering the board. Wow, I mean, I loved my time at OpenAI. It was transformative for me personally, and hopefully the world a little bit. Most of all, I loved working with such talented people. We'll have more to say about this. What's next later? Now it's going to be so interesting. It is going to be so interesting to see where what Sam Altman lands next. Microsoft, Google, Anthropic. Who knows? Who knows? He's the hot guy in the town, isn't he? Like quite literally, but also you know what? Like he's the pick of the cherry. So like he can just go wherever he along with the researchers and all of these his band pura, they can actually go on and form something of their own. They have more than enough resources, capabilities, credibility, and everything. It's gonna be just amazing, and it's just how fast the night changes, as the lyric is. It's just symbolic to that. Now I have a very sort of peculiar thing to do. Let's go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT what it thinks about it, right? Let's just do that. So I'm just gonna go here. Wait, yeah, I'm here. I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT. Sam Altman has been fired from your company. Right. Let's see. Check the latest news, Dumbo. Yeah, there you go. It's checking it. Let's see what it comes up with. We're waiting. It's going to be interesting to see what they come up with. Bonet has been removed from his position. The board of right made a following that was not consistently. What are your thoughts on this? He was your boss. Wait. Still give me an opinion. Let's see what it does. While I don't have the personal opinions, I can provide analysis based on pioneering could have taken, especially will it affect you as you are OpenAI's biggest product? Right, let's see what it says to this. Strategic shifts. resource allocation policy. Right. So fair. It's not going to go into any sort of very crisis led situations. But yeah, that was that, and it's just shocking. I was just trying to get the Mickey out of it, but wow, just how fast the night changes in it. Wow. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who joined in. Let's see. Let's keep ourselves tuned in. Let's see what happens next. Till the time, as I said, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.